Mercedes-Benz India is all set to re-enter the compact luxury sedan segment with the A-Class limousine, and the model will be launched in India on the 25th of March 2021. The offering will be available in three variants: A200, A200D and the made in India A35 AMG. Yes, the performance spec A-Class sedan will be the second AMG model to be locally assembled in the country, and that should make for aggressive pricing. The India spec Mercedes-Benz A-Class limousine will draw power from the 1.4-litre turbocharged petrol engine as well as the 2-litre diesel engine. The range-topping Mercedes AMG A35 will get the more powerful 2-litre turbocharged petrol that develops 302 brake horsepower and 400 Nm of peak torque. The new A-Class limousine will take on the BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe in the segment. Bajaj Auto has relaunched the Pulsar 180 in India as a 2021 model, and the motorcycle is priced at 1,08,000 rupees ex-showroom Delhi. The motorcycle continues to get similar styling as before. However, updates include a new headlight equipped with auto headlamp on, two pilot lamps, new decals, split seats, new alloy wheels and a new Infinity LED tail light. In terms of engine specifications, the 2021 Bajaj Pulsar 180 gets a 178.6cc single-cylinder engine that develops 16.36 brake horsepower and 14.52 Nm of peak torque. The engine is paired to a 5-speed gearbox. The Bajaj Pulsar 180 was discontinued in 2019 and was replaced by the semi-faired Pulsar 180F. However, the naked model now steps in place of the 180F that has been pulled off the market. Taking its second step in the Go Local strategy for the Indian market, Stellantis has commenced the local assembly of the 2021 Jeep Wrangler off-roader at its Ranjangaon manufacturing facility in Maharashtra. The Wrangler will see a price reduction as a result of the local assembly, and the updated pricing along with the technical specifications will be announced at the time of the market launch on 15th of March 2021. With the rollout, the automaker has also commenced pre-bookings of the 2021 Wrangler at its 26 dealerships across the country. With the local assembly in place, the model will attract lower prices and the benefit will be passed on to customers. The 2021 Wrangler competes against the Mercedes-Benz G-Class and the Land Rover Defender in the segment and will get a more attractive price against its rivals.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.